How to log out of Nintendo Switch account. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can log out of your Nintendo Switch account. So you can simply perform this step on your PC or your phone as well. So what you need to do is follow the following steps. The very first step is to go and log out. So for that what you need to do is go to the system settings. After going on the system settings, from your home screen, scroll down to the users and select the appropriate user profile. And after selecting the appropriate user profile, you need to select Unlink Nintendo account. After tapping on the Unlink Nintendo account option, confirm your choice and you are logged out. But remember that this does not delete your account or data. It simply disconnects your account from the Switch. You can again switch your account back as well, so you don't need to worry about that. So you can follow these steps and see if it works or not. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment on the comment section below.